platinum against the US dollar this week has rise in value, and we can see after the price has formed this bullish engulfing candle, the price continued to rise in value, and the price has gone above the resistance level 937.55, reached the next one at 962, and it has formed this strong wick on the Friday. Weekly time frame shows us that after the price has formed these bearish candles, the price returns back up with strong bullish candle, and currently the price is in between this resistance level at 962 and support level at 937.55. Monthly time frame, the previous month has closed as a bullish candle, which means this is indication that further rise in value is also possible, and as the final target is around this one 971 and also this one 991.50. So will the price manage to go up? We can see that the price usually jumps between these two price levels, and this is what has happened this month also. The price has reached this area in the last 2 months, and this month has continued to rise in value. So if we make a conclusion, the price is jumping between these two price levels, so this is also what is expected for the price to go around this one 976 and then around 991 and then returns back down. Will that be possible to see on this case during this week and also this month? We will see that much more clearly on the lower time frames, but for now what I can see, the price is inside the bullish mode, so we'll see what happens. Will the price manage to go above this price level and then returns back up, or around 992 and then drops down again? So this is also potentially potential target, but for me, what I can see, I am expecting to see the price on the higher price levels, and that means reaching around this one 982 and possibly with a wick around this resistance level. So this is the target for the next week. From there, the price reach at this resistance level, there is also potential bounce back down, just in this example, just like in this example, and there is a potentially also in the next example. So unless we see the price going down, which means below 937.55, if the price goes down, this will be indication again for the decline in the value of the price and reaching 911.78, potentially here 891.55. But for that, we need to see on the daily basis how the candle closes and also how the market looks. For any daily analysis, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders, and that's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.